哎，怎么样？哦，你先吃晚点好吧？你还想晚点吗？好，好了。
So this is the hotel I booked, and the price is about 160 yuan, which is $30, $32 Canadian. Communism! And when I came in, I have to scan this. That will track where I've been in the last 2 weeks. Very pretty. So the benefit of traveling during the pandemic is that hotel prices are insanely cheap. I mean, 160 yen, $30 Canadian. For this, it's pretty damn nice. I mean, it's cheaper than a hostel bunk bed in most countries. You can't get a hostel bunk for this price. Even in Hong Kong, you won't be able to find that. In Vietnam, you can though, I think. In Vietnam, you could definitely get a hostel bed. Let's check it out. Okay, this is going to be a surprise for you and me both. So, I'm holding a teacup in my hand. Holding too many things. Alright, let's go. Let's do this. Alright guys, so I have no idea what the room's going to look like. Just getting in right now. Check it out. Alright, not bad. Not bad at all. Huge TV. Nice bed. Good art. Sweet washroom. Damn, son. Communism! This is sweet. So it's pretty good because the news is telling us about the pandemic situation. So it's good to get updated on that. It's saying Zhanjiang right now is getting an outbreak and some other areas in China. So people from those areas are not allowed to travel at all. This has got sweet little, I don't know what to call this. I have no idea. But it's nice. I like it. It's a nice view of the downtown area. I like this. I really, really like this. Alright guys, if you want to see how weird the Communist Party is, up ahead I was like, what's this beautiful restaurant? This looks so nice. Look at this design. It's so pretty. This has got to be like an expensive cafe. Oh, no, it's not. It's a bathroom. Communism! The communists just built this beautiful design for a public bathroom. That's what this is. Isn't that funny? I'm not gonna go and show you the inside of the bathroom because that's kind of weird. I don't want to like creep people out. You don't put cameras in a bathroom, right? But that's what the outside looks like. Unbelievable! Guys, I dare to say this is the most beautiful public bathroom in Asia. Am I right? Like, this is a freaking public bathroom. And it looks like the outside of a club or something. So funny. The guy just keeps making that disgusting noise. Communist! So to be totally honest, I didn't want to eat at an expensive restaurant. This is like, I mean, it's not expensive by Canadian standards, but by Chinese standards, it is a little bit. But I couldn't find any local restaurants. So I ordered this, which is like a handmade meatball, and then this thing, which is a walnut bun. And then here you can see I ordered some veggies. So, and this is their famous handmade meatballs. And you gotta love these ancient bamboo steamer thingamajigs. I don't know what to call them. Oh man, my English. And they have a really cute little logo. Look at this dragon. And it's called in Chinese Yi Cha Yi Dian. Or in Cantonese it would be Yat Cha Yat Dim. In English, 1 tea, 1 dim sum. Yeah. There you go. And this was free, so just for coming in they give you this pack of napkins. Before you have to bring your own napkins. So it looks like a wet market is closing up right now. You can see there's a, yeah, definitely smells like a wet market. Oh yeah, you could see the chicken guts over here. Communism! This is definitely a wet market. Absolutely. It's very wet. You can see the water. It's cool. It's like a flag platform. Doesn't get more local than this, guys. Looks pretty clean though. So these are the back alleys of a tier, I don't know, tier 3, tier 4 city. Zhanjiang. You guys can check it out if you don't know. It's tier 3 or tier 4. I'm actually surprised. The street is a lot cleaner than even some of these back alleys in Guangzhou, so I'm pretty impressed, I gotta say. I know it's super weird to do this and film these public bathrooms, but China just has these beautiful public bathrooms. I mean, it's very funny because when I came to China when I was young, that was a long time ago, it was terrifying. The public bathrooms were gross, disgusting, and now they're beautiful. So seeing this prosperity, seeing the improvements is great. So here, you can get your nails done for 20 kwai, which is $4 Canadian. And I don't know what I think 5 kwai, I don't know what that is for, but yeah. It's pretty nice. Look at all these colors and stuff. Ooh, hair extensions, that's fun. More phone accessories. So guys, that's why you have to come to these small towns. It's the only place you're gonna find a fake KFC, like this, LFC. Pretty freaking crazy. Communism. If you want to see how weird the Communist Party is, up ahead I was like, what's this beautiful restaurant? This looks so nice. Look at this design. It's so pretty. This has got to be like an expensive cafe. Oh, no, it's not. It's a bathroom.